How to view Wi-Fi password using CMD tricks. Click on Start and type CMD. Right click and select Run as Administrator option. Click on Yes. Then you type netsh wlan show profiles. Then click on Enter button. This will display a list of all networks you were connected. You need to select any one network name and then type netsh wlan show profile name. Then network name need to replace with your profile name. I select first profile DSA 4G, then I rename as profile name DSA 4G. You can click on Enter button. Then your selected profile Wi-Fi details are shown in here. You can find your key on security settings. This is your Wi-Fi password. In this method, you can view password of your already connected and saved network connections.